So welcome to the Institute. My name is Shadagopan. I'm the director of the Institute. And on my behalf and on behalf of all of IIITB family, welcome. Okay. And we have a simple rule in the Institute. Professors have to be on time. The students have the option of coming on time. Okay. So some of you are still coming, but that's okay. But we have to start. Okay. So we mean business at 10 sharp. We have to start. Okay. So I will just take a couple of minutes. By the time, I think what happened being the first day, Professor Abbas is here, Registrar Ramchandra is here, couple of other people seem to be, because we also have the inauguration of our regular MTech students. So they will probably be here in the next couple of minutes, then we start. Okay. So let me give you what I call 3 minutes about IIITB. So I think the process you will get what we call the DNA of the institute. Okay. So come. Okay, come Raja. First and foremost. Okay. Okay. Welcome to what? Welcome to IIITB. Okay. Welcome to IIITB, of course. But Raja, check whether our principle is right. Okay. So the philosophy of the institute is welcome to okay. Okay. That is the DNA of IIITB, right? It is your institute. Next year you will have another set of junior students. At that time you will be on this side. It will become our institute. But when you have a new set of students, you would welcome to your institute. Okay. Institute is run by students for students. Okay. We happen to be incidental, right? Because whenever you want, we'll teach you. But if you think you don't have to teach, go ahead. Okay. That is a broad principle of the institute. Okay. So our DNA is characterized by 3 words. Fair, friendly, and fun. Right? We are fair. Everything is transparent. And the same set of people who teach you, evaluate you. You can actually go to the professor and say, sir, I should have got 9 marks there. Perfectly fine, but you have to convince. So it's a fairness on both sides. Everybody says that, look, I should get a grade. Okay, but you have to convince. And ultimately we go by what you write in the exam. We can't go by whether I like you, I like your name, like your face, whatever. It can't be. It is completely based on your performance. Okay, and everything is open, transparent. That's part of the system. Okay, but it is two-way. When I say fair, that you can actually question the teacher, question your marks, but you have to convince. You also have to be fair. No copying, no ragging, no eve teasing. Boys will be nice to girls, girls will be nice to boys. Seniors will be nice to juniors, juniors will be nice. Okay, all of them. Guiding principle is fair. You have to be fair. And lot of time these days you produce a nice report, and when I ask how did you manage to write, they said no problem sir, we did cut paste. That is not fair. So a lot of time people said, sir, I researched on the internet. Be absolutely clear. That is not called research. It is called search. And some of us have the authority to tell you exactly, because at least I had the kind of unusual fortune. I had in my class a person whose name is Rajiv Motwani, who happened to be the thesis advisor for the Google founders. Right? So don't confuse search and research. Okay? So fair at all levels, and you will find that throughout. Okay? When we have a function like a convocation, we all eat the same food. It's not that the faculty eat some food, the students eat the food. No. Okay. Our restrooms are common. There is nothing for faculty separately, nothing for students separately, not even one for the director. Okay? We believe in fairness. Okay? Second, we are friendly. Okay, so you would have seen generally our letters are not written in a very intimidating way. We kind of welcome you, we write to you friendly, the administration also friendly. If they are not, tell us, we will ensure that they are friendly. That part we will ensure. But we also expect something same from you, right? So within the hostels, sometimes people say that, look sir, it's hostel, I'm using some harsh words. No, you shall not use any strong words against anyone. Simply ask this question: if somebody sees, will it be embarrassing for you? So that takes care of no smoking, no drugs, no drinks. We do a lot of partying. That's fun, okay? But you have to be friendly. So being friendly is both ways, right? The institute will be friendly, professors are friendly, we never shout, and even sometimes, and we are very clear that grades are earned. Grades are not given. Okay? So don't say, sir, I thought you will give me a grade. No, we don't give you a grade. If you're good, you earn it. And everybody is good. IIIT also believes that everybody is number one. Everyone is number one. That's a philosophy. Okay, but you could be number one in something else, some other course, something else, etc. But everyone is number one. But at the same time, part of the fairness is we go by what you have done in the exam. Last but not the least, we have a lot of fun. We have parties. Even yesterday we had what is called ethnic dress. So all the students come in ethnic dress. Sometimes even faculty members come in ethnic dress. We have this party, this program. All that we do, there's, in fact, you will have what is called a welcome party, freshers party, farewell party, all that we do. Okay? But the real fun of IIITB is very simple. The IIITB is all about work and network. Okay? And IIIT students generally complain only thing is, sir, we don't have any homework this day. So getting a homework every day, getting multiple homeworks every day is part of life. Okay, that is fun. Okay, don't think fun means no work. Okay, fun means tons and tons of work. In fact, this is what happens. Students graduate, go to companies, and they say, Cisco, very demanding, 14 hours of work, etc. Our students said, no problem, sir. We have done much more. Okay, and that is what is the philosophy of the institute. You have come to learn as much as possible. So you can occasionally eat, you can occasionally sleep. Right? So that is what is fun. Okay? So don't have any mistaken notion of fun. I want it to be absolutely clear. Okay? So that is something which is broadly what we call the DNA of the institute. Okay? So let me kind of stop here, just to kind of, this is a quick introduction about what IIITB is all about. Okay? I won't tell you any numbers, etc., etc. They're all in the website. Okay? So what we will do in the next couple of minutes is that we have my distinguished colleagues who will be kind of teaching your course. Let me start with Professor Abbas. Maybe you can come and you can tell which course you are going to teach, and they also will tell you that teaching starts maybe not tomorrow, starts on 9 o'clock on Monday. Yes.
My name is Abbas. I am one of the few faculty members who has mostly worked as a programmer. I got my bachelor's in engineering from Bombay University, master's from University of California in Berkeley. Then I came back, I joined TCS. I worked with them for 15 years. I worked as a consultant for 15 years, and now I'm also a consultant with Tata Elxsi and other companies. And along with it, I'm a visiting faculty at IIITB, and I enjoy teaching, so I love to have the chance to teach. So I'm very delighted that I'll be one of the faculty members teaching you. The main course I will be teaching will be Advanced Java and Web Applications. The basic Java somebody else will be teaching. And wish you all the best. Professor has done a great job introducing. I'm looking forward to being with you, and all the best.
Thank you, sir. Raja.
Morning, all. Good morning. My name is Raja. You can call me Raja too, but I have a large name. It is some K.R. Venkata Subramanian, abbreviated into K.R.V. Subramanian, but still long. So just call me Raja. My background is that I've been an academic for most of my life, but with a little bit of twist. I studied in BITS Pilani, all of it, from bachelor's to master's to PhD. I also taught there. I was a professor of computer science. And for about 10 years, I was also the dean of the distance learning programs.
Please come.
helped it grow what is called as a work integrated learning programs. That is, people who get into a job would also like to study, right? So PITS offers a lot of these type of programs. I was heading that program for about 10 years. Sometime in 2000, I left the world of academics and came to Bangalore, and I was a CEO of a company called as Ascendum Solutions. Helped it grow for about 7 years, then promptly got bored. Because all I was doing throughout my life was that I was selling people. Buy 5 software engineers, get 2 test engineers free kind of a thing. So, wasn't my cup of tea. So I kind of exited from that thing and then started another company called as Radix Learning. I'm presently the CEO of that company. I'm also an acting faculty at IIT Bangalore. IIT Bangalore incubated my company Radix Learning for 3 years. I was right here, the next room actually. Professor Sadagopan and his team helped us grow, and today, according to him, he says that we have strong wings. So we've just moved out of this office here, and I'm just next door. So I'll be coming over here to teach you all, and I've participated in several educational programs of IIITB. This time around, for your program, I'll be teaching 3 topics. Problem solving, programming methodology, and object-oriented concepts. Okay. See you soon. My talks to you begin on 18th.
Yes.
Okay?
Thank you. Ramesh Babu.
Thank you, Professor. Very good morning, and welcome to one of the most beautiful places, like Kashmir, is also Bangalore. Because you could see here, peak of the summer is, this is what you see. One thing is assured, you are at one of the best places, the best place, that is IIIT. Because there are best minds here, there are best faculty here, and there's the best curriculum. Having said that, I represent Infosys, and I'm an extended team of Professor. And believe me, last 3 years we have been working. Now we will work along with you for the next 9 months. Having said that, I also wanted to get a feel of you people. So how many of you are actually from Jammu and Kashmir and coming here for Bangalore first time? Or to the south first time?
Special welcome.
And how many of you have visited south and maybe even Karnataka, Bangalore? Okay, as a part of, just wanted to get a feel. So you have been here as a part of your studies, or you visited once, or yeah, you want to say?
Actually, my cousin was studying in Ramaya.
In MS Ramaya, okay.
I visited
Once,
for
great.
1 month.
Okay. Okay, I think some more have, yeah.
My cousin is also in Sri Lanka.
In
Garden Street.
Garden City.
Garden City College, okay. On the Mysore Road, I think. Yeah, okay. Okay. How long you have been here?
Staying about a month.
About a month, okay. How about, this is your first time? I think I saw some more hands here, huh? Yeah, okay, please go ahead.
I came here for just learning Java.
Learning Java. Oh, very good.
Oh, interesting. Very good.
I can hear jobs at the director.
Oh.
Okay, you visited once here. Okay, good. This time, surely.
For 1 month, person.
Okay, which place? BTM, Bangalore, I meant. Okay, very good. Anybody else who visited here? Okay. Having said that, I think I was listening to Professor very well articulated these 3 points, and I would bring in the industry and the practitioners' perspectives into this. We will work along with IIIT and make sure that you get the academic rigor that is required and the industry relevance that is required for this kind of a program. So this is a very unique program, and we can only assure you that you will be completely different at the end of 9 months. Believe us, what you are today to what at the end of 9 months, you will be completely different. Having said that, we do have expectations, just like you have expectations, right? I'm sure you have expectations,
Yes.
right? What is the number 1 expectation that you have?
Get a good job.
Okay, that is your expectation.
So I get a job in Infosys.
Get a job in
that's good.
Infosys.
Okay, that's good.
You made my day.
Yes, that's good.
Okay.
Really want to learn something.
Learn
Really
something.
want to
Yes.
learn something. Okay.
To be a good Java programmer. To be a good Java programmer.
To be a good?
Java programmer.
You want to be a
Java
good?
programmer.
Okay, you want to focus in Java. Wonderful. So I think we do have expectations just like you have. And so let me articulate. Now that you're physically here, we want 100% of your mind to be here. Right? Because some of you have come very far off. Right? Very, very far off. And that requires not only being physically here, but being attached end to end in this learning environment, end to end when I mean morning to evening, in this learning environment that you have, with your mind share 100%. That is very important. And then only you will be able to deliver the results. Right? Second, I think I see this fair, friendly, fun. So you'll have a lot of learning and you can also enjoy. But that you have to do the right mix. And the enjoyment comes as a part of the learning. So I think that's our expectation also. Third is, the only measure is we expect 100% of them to be employed. That only means each one of us has a role to play in this entire program. So it's not enough I do it, professor does it, and here are the various faculty who will be part of it. It's equally important how much you are also putting into it. Right? So the only performance measure at the end of it is how many you got jobs, and that is our expectation is 100%. So having said that, thank you, and once again welcome to IIIT, and have a great program going forward. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Dr. Ramesh Babu. Okay, so what happens is, because we also have our regular MTech students coming, we will probably have to kind of run away. So what I'll do is that I'm going to make it short. We have other colleagues, Professor Das, okay, he will actually teach you some networking. Professor Rajagopalan, he's the person who actually put the program together last 3 years. You know, this is jointly created by IIITB and Infosys. He's the person who has been kind of doing that. He kind of does what is called a program management. And then Ramchandra is the registrar. And Murugan is an IT person. Tomorrow he will kind of handhold you to kind of get your laptops. The laptops are ready. You have to kind of start installing both Windows and Ubuntu. And okay, and then okay, Mr. Kumar is a very special person. Okay, so for the next 9 months, he is your single point of contact. Anything academics, non-academics, food, hostel, party, going out, etc., and he will actually become part of you. Okay, at the end of these 9 months. Okay, and of course, Moshin is our IT person. Swati is our media person. Okay, so let me kind of, before closing, let me kind of tell you, because finally, what is this all about? Okay, it's very simple. We bring, as Dr. Ramesh said, we bring best-in-class faculty, best-in-class curriculum, best-in-class assessment, best-in-class atmosphere, best-in-class infrastructure. You bring in the best-in-class performance. Don't worry about the past. You know, somebody has only 63%, doesn't matter. Okay, so people are not going to look back into what, but definitely people are going to look into what you do here. We bring, of course, some of you wanted Infosys. Infosys is our dear company, is dear to us, admired company. So we'll definitely have Infosys, but we'll give you more options. Infosys will be there, TCS will be there, Wipro will be there. We also will get international companies. We also will get IBM, we'll get HP, we'll get Accenture, we'll get Capgemini. Okay, you will not have problem of choice. One of our founding board members, Mr. Som Mittal, who is currently the president of NASSCOM, puts it very nicely. Places like IIITB, it is something called Swayamvar. Swayamvar is a Hindi word where, you know, historically in the old days, you know, lot of princes will be there to get married to a lot of princess, okay, will be there to get married to another one princess. Okay, they all will get dressed up, and finally this girl will go and choose one. So in a sense, it is the students choosing the company, not the companies choosing you. Okay, but that is based on your performance. Okay, so commit performance, and 9 months from now we'll have a grand party, we'll celebrate, and you will say that, look sir, I got selected in Infosys and TCS and maybe something, but I chose one. And I can tell you, good thing about people from Infosys is, if you got 2 jobs and you decide to choose the other job and not Infosys, they are not saddened. They'll be happy if you join. They'll be equally happy if you join elsewhere. Because what matters is, you should go to a place which you enjoy. Okay? So thank you once again. Okay? And you have a whole bunch of things planned. And I understand some of your classmates are still in transit. So I think 47 are the number of people who are supposed to be arriving by the end of the day. See, so far we have about 19. Okay, so but I think some of them are sending messages that they're coming, etc. Enjoy the rest of the day and the rest of the 9 months, and do yourself proud. Do proud to your parents, and do proud to IIITB by learning as much as possible, showing your performance, getting the jobs, and when you join the company, I'm sure you will do proud to the companies. Okay. So that is where we will kind of log off, and a special welcome to some of you who came late.